Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials to enhance your experience with X. In today's video, we will walk you through a full guide on how to disable personalized ads in X. If you're looking to limit targeted advertisements and enhance your privacy, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the account icon located in the top right corner. This will take you to your settings. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, look for and tap on Privacy and Safety. Step 4. Next, locate and tap on Ads Preferences. This option allows you to customize your ad settings. Step 5. Within the Ads Preferences menu, find the option to disable personalized ads. Tap on it to turn off personalized ads. By following these simple steps, you can effectively disable personalized ads in X and have more control over the advertisements you see. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to disable personalized ads in X. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and guides.